Make money online teaching any skill. If you have a skill like programming, language, business, or craft, you can go to this website which is called learnkey.com. There's a link in the description. You can offer that service and you can make money online. This website is straight away very simple. You don't need to have any degrees to offer the service. If you have a skill and you are specialized on that skill, and you can offer the service on this website and you can make money from it. You can make low as $7 per hour up to $15 to $20 per hour. For example, you can see these people offering service from worldwide and they are making money every single hour. This person teaching Python and they charge around $12 per hour. And this is the number one person again teaching Python and C plus and coding, and you can see $8.50 per hour. And you can see nearly 5-star and 117 lessons. So for example, if you multiply 117 lesson times $8.50, this person nearly made around $1,000 from this website staying at home. All you need is an internet and a laptop and a microphone in order to make money online. Also, that you can see here, you can schedule the lessons, so you don't have to teach every single day. You can pick a specific date like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and also you can pick a specific time on it. So students only join that time. You go there and you can teach them and you can make money. So you can see this person how many sessions are available in each date and each time. You can go there and you can teach them and you make money online. At present they only pay through Pioneer, so you can get all this information. If you go down of this website, there's a thing is called become a tutor. Click that and they will open this page. This is the page. You need to register for it and become a tutor in this website. You don't have to provide anything. Fill this information, and if you come down to the bottom, at present they pay you through Pioneer and you can get paid in 1 to 2 working days from this website. They charge smaller fees for that. After that you can keep nearly 80% of that revenue. So if you have a free time after work, or you are studying in a college or university, while you are staying at home, you can offer this service and you can earn side money every single day from this website, guys. I hope you understand these videos. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any questions, leave that in the comment section. I will answer that for you guys. And with that, have a great day. See you next video.